We understand the pain that the public is feeling at the pump, and we want to be able to help here at City Tire. Number one is vehicle maintenance. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule goes a long way into helping the car maintain the proper mileage that it's supposed to get. It's making sure that your tires are properly inflated, that your tires are in good condition, and to make sure that your vehicle is properly aligned. If you imagine a tire in an alignment where the tires are not pointing in the correct direction, that's going to create friction, or what they call rolling resistance. When rolling resistance increases, gas mileage decreases. So the goal of keeping your car properly aligned is twofold. You make sure your tires last the amount of time that they're supposed to last, and number two, your car will again get the amount of gas mileage that it's supposed to get.